to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you guys skating with me. I'm here at the skating rink as, let me show you. This is a small kids play area. Now we'll be going to the skating rink. I'm going to show you guys where we get changed and then I'm going to take you guys skating with me. I hope you're excited. So this is the skating rink. This is where most people play hockey. Those yellow and small bins right there, those smaller rooms right there are the changing rooms, and next to it there's another place to skate where most of the beginners go. So you guys come with me to go skating. Now I'm going to show you guys where we get changed. This is where it shows. Now I'm going to show you guys how to skate and then show how to put on. Okay, so I wear these extra woolen socks so my feet don't get cold. So as you can see, my shoes in the front there are these spikes. It helps me hit the brakes. But then some shoes, they're hockey shoes, they don't have it in the front. Some of them have it in the back, and some actually don't have it. So there are different ways, techniques of stopping. So with this, it's way easier. Okay, now I put on my skates. Usually there are people in the area where they play hockey. So, there are two places you can skate. There, most of the people play hockey. I learned skating all by myself with a bunch of friends and it was very fun, but then when you're coming skating, remember to wear proper attire because when you fall in skates, when you fall here, it's freezing cold. It's currently -20 here, and my brother and I are gonna do a race, and let's see who is gonna win. Come on, there we go. Here and the other thing, there's a crack somewhere here, so don't get your skate stuck to that, you might fall. Ready? The trainer? Yeah, till that. Ready? From here. 1, 2, 3. I won. Hello. See, you told me you could beat me with this. There's so many questions. Okay, now I'm gonna practice how to go backwards properly. Because how I usually go is like this, and that's wrong because I like swing my leg and then I hit the car. So I go like this. Oh, no. One. Oh! Oh yeah, let's practice this. So this is called a trainer. So this, most of the beginners hold this, push it and then go straight next. I do that a lot. This is what we used to use when we started with this one. Most skating rinks do have these inside the training room. Here we just have it left outside. And if you go inside, they also have hockey sticks if you want to play. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Today I actually learned something new. I learned, oh jeez. Today I actually learned how to go backwards, as you just saw. Because I'm always scared to like go downhill and go backwards. Because I'm not even joking. See, my brother just fell right there. So I'm scared of falling, like really scared. Because once I fell, and then, bro, I'm not even joking. I hit my arm and my knee so hard. It hurt so badly. So not gonna do that again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Say bye. Bye.